This is a brand new 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, a 7-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium One package, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, heated seats, XM satellite radio, LED headlights, and blind spot assist. The following features are also included: a steering wheel with memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a home link feature, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.